Halo guys, welcome back with me, Sir Andrew. Hari ini saya ada di Jogja nih. Lagi ngapain? Lagi jalan ceritanya nih. Oke, di samping saya nih Mas Gigih nih yang siap ngantar saya gitu. Nah, saya telepon TEGSA ya.
Iya,
TEGSA Karen ya. Dan saya dapat supir yang super baik hati, Mas Gigih nih. Kita mau kemana hari ini? Hari ini kita mau coba ke Borobudur Temple. Ini Mas Gigih, ini kita di daerah mana nih Mas?
Ini di daerah
Ring Road.
Ring Road Utara.
Oh, Ring Road Utara ke arah
Jomber dulu.
apa?
Arah Jomber.
Jomber ya?
Ya, arah Jomber.
Oke, Jomber. Oke. Ini maksudnya kabupaten apa Mas? Ini Sleman ya? Oke. Jadi guys, menurut Mas Gigih barusan kita ada di daerah Ring Road, daerah Jomber ya?
Iya.
Kabupaten Sleman. Oke. Kalau dari sini sekarang ke lokasi Borobudur Temple kurang lebih berapa lama Mas?
Paling lama jam setengah.
Jam setengah. Oke. Nah itu guys informasi dari Mas Gigih. Jadi saya punya sobat baru sekarang, Mas Gigih yang siap nganter-nganter. Jadi guys, ingat ya, nanti saya di video yang saya upload bakal saya kasih nomor kontak TEGSA Rent Car. Ya, jadi nanti kalau ke Jogja, sobat-sobat Sir Andrew, coba deh keramahan driver TEGSA. Stay tune ya guys. Oke guys, sekarang kita ada di jembatan apa Mas Gigih? Jembatan Tempel ya.
Tempel.
Jembatan Tempel ini perbatasan Yogyakarta dengan Jawa Tengah ya Mas ya.
Iya.
Oke, lihat di jembatannya nih. Oke. Namanya? Tugu Ireng ya. Oke. Oh iya, selamat datang di Jawa Tengah. Oke. Halo guys, balik lagi sama Sir Andrew. Sekarang saya sudah berada di lokasi pintu masuk Borobudur Temple ya. Sekarang Sir Andrew ada di area loket domestik masuk ke Candi Borobudur. Oke, sekarang Sir Andrew ada di loket nomor 3. Oke, berapa Mbak?
Satunya 50 Bapak.
Baik.
Berapa orang Pak?
Satu orang Mbak?
Satu aja.
Iya.
Jadi kota mana Pak?
Saya Bandung Mbak. Jadi tiket masuknya 50.000 per orang dewasa. Oke. Terima kasih Mbak. Matur nuwun. Dan sekarang Asgod mau masuk tiket ke pintu masuk Borobudur Temple. Oke. Izin foto ya, Mbak. Ya. Sekarang saya lagi menuju ke candi ya. Bentar lagi kita naik ke candi Borobudur. Yeah.
Between AD 780 and 840, the Sailendra dynasty constructed the largest Buddhist monument on earth. At the time, central Java was ruled by the Sailendra dynasty. According to Buddha, it was constructed as a shrine to honor Buddha and as a destination of pilgrimage to lead people away from materialistic cravings and toward enlightenment and wisdom. It wasn't until 1835 that the entire temple grounds was cleaned after the British under Sir Thomas Stanford Raffles found this monument in 1814. The Mandala, a Buddhist teaching emblem for the universe, inspired the construction of Borobudur. This square-shaped structure has 4 entrances and a circular center point. 3 zones of consciousness are depicted, working from the outside into the inside, with the middle sphere standing in for unconsciousness or Nirvana. Zone 1, Kamadhatu. The phenomenal world, the world inhabited by common people. The 160 reliefs that make up the buried Kamadhata level of Borobudur show scenarios from the Karmoibhanga Sutra, or the law of cause and effect. The reliefs show robbery, murder, rape, torture, and defamation in order to illustrate how human desire operates. In order to provide visitors access to the concealed foot and some of the reliefs, a corner of the covering base has been permanently removed. The Borobudur Museum, located inside the Borobudur Archaeological Park, features photographs of the whole collection of 160 reliefs. Zone 2, Rapadhatu. The transitional sphere, humans are released from worldly matters. Rapadhatu's 4 square levels are divided into galleries with carved stone reliefs, and a string of niches with Buddha images. On these balustrade levels, which also feature a lot of merely ornamental reliefs, there are 328 Buddha in all. Gandhar Auha, Lalatoistra, Jataka, and Awadana are among the 1,300 reliefs on this level that feature Sanskrit writings. They cover 2.5 kilometers. There are also 1,212 ornamental panels. Zone 3, Erupadhatu. The highest sphere, the abode of the gods. The 3 circular terraces that lead to a central dome or stupa, which are far less elaborate and emphasize form purity, symbolize rising above the world. The terraces have circles of inverted bell-shaped perforated stupas, which are Buddha sculptures that face away from the temple. There are a total of 72 of these stupas. the majestic central stupa is today only 9.9 meters in diameter and only slightly higher than its original height of 42 meters above the ground. The central stupa, in contrast to the stupas around it, is empty. Conflicting reports contend that the central void once held artifacts, while other reports contend that it has always been empty. The 504 Buddha statues in all are in meditation attitude, and the 6 different hand positions are depicted throughout the temple, frequently in accordance with the Buddha's facial orientation. Two nearby minor temples, Porn and Mendat, were found to be precisely lined up with the Borobudur temple during restoration work in the early 20th century. While Mendat temple is 3 kilometers from Borobudur, Porn temple is just 1.15 kilometers away. Although the precise ceremonial procedure is still unknown, it is thought that the 3 temples have a reciprocal religious link. The Waisak Day Festival, which is conducted annually on the day of the full moon in April or May, uses the 3 temples as part of its route. The celebration honors the Buddha's birth, enlightenment, and demise.